Good morning students, myself Sharon. I hope everyone is fine and safe at home. Today in English we will do lesson number 7, that is Sparsh exercise portion. So open your book at page number 42. Are you all ready? So let's begin. Here first A is that answer the following question. First question, Sparsh did not answer when his aunt called out to him. What was he doing? It means that Sparsh जो था उसने जब उसकी आंट ने उसको बुलाया तो उसने वहाँ पर क्यों नहीं गया और क्या कर रहा था वो? So Sparsh did not answer because, ठीक है, Sparsh ने वहाँ पर जाकर आंट को आंसर क्यों नहीं किया? Because he was going, G-O-I-N-G, going for swimming, S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming. When his aunt called out to him, it means that Sparsh was going for swimming. He has made plan for swimming. That's why he didn't answer his aunt. Now next question, why did Mrs. Satakshi have to punish Sparsh? Mrs. Satakshi को Sparsh को punish क्यों करना था? क्या reason था? So answer will be Mrs. Satakshi have to punish Sparsh because, till here it will come from the question, because then you will write she did not wanted him to grow lazy, L-A-Z-Y, lazy, and wicked, W-I-C-K-E-D, wicked. It means मिसेस सतक्षी जो थे वो नहीं चाहते थे कि उनका बेटा स्पर्श जो है वो बहुत ही आलसी और एक बुरा लड़का बने, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही मिस्चीवियस एक्टिविटीज करता था. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डिड स्पर्श कम आउट ऑफ द हाउस सैडली? स्पर्श जो है वो घर से इतना दुखी होकर क्यों निकलता है? सो स्पर्श केम आउट ऑफ द हाउस sadly because, till here it will come from the question, and then you will write he did not wanted to whitewash the fence. Why he came out sadly? Because he did not wanted to paint the fence. जो वो बाढ़ थी उसको वो पेंट नहीं करना चाहता था, इसीलिए जो था वो वहाँ से दुखी होकर निकलता है. Student, please remember that instead of come you have to write over here came. Sparsh S, Mrs. Satakshi S. Again in third answer Sparsh S you have to write capital. If you will not write S capital in the exam, we will cut your marks. Now next question, how did Sparsh convince his friends of it? So it means कि Sparsh ने जो था अपने दोस्तों को ये काम करने के लिए कैसे convince कर लिया? Answer will be Sparsh convince. Clear? Convince means मनाना. स्पर्श ने कैसे मना लिया था अपने दोस्तों को? So Sparsh convinced his friends of it by pretending, P-R-E-T-E-N-D-I-N-G, pretending that he is very interested in his work. Interested spelling I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-E-D, interested. It means that स्पर्श ने अपने फ्रेंड्स को मना लिया कि ये काम करना है. कैसे? वो उनको ऐसे दिखा रहा था कि ये काम इतना इंटरेस्टिंग है, इस काम को करने का बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, डिड स्पर्श पेंट द होल फेंस? क्या स्पर्श ने पूरी जो फेंस थी, पूरी जो बाड़ थी उसको पेंट किया था? सो हियर नो, स्पर्श ने नहीं काम किया था. सो नो, स्पर्श डिड नॉट paint the whole fence. Clear students? So these 5 answers you will write in your notebook. Now we will come to B part, that is fill in the blanks. B, C and D part you will do in the book. First let's start with B. First, there was Sparsh near the dash door. Answer will be kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Haven't I told you 100 dash to keep away from the refrigerator? So 100 times. I know tomorrow is dash and there's no school on Sunday. So tomorrow is Sunday. The sun was shining and the dash were singing. So answer will be birds. In the other hand, he carried a dash which was full of whitewash. So answer will be bucket. Sparsh put his dash into the whitewash. Answer will be brush. He picked up his brush again and began dash hard. Working, W-O-R-K-I-N-G, working. He was pretending that he was a big dash and he was rolling like one. Answer will be ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Sparsh looked very dash in his work. So answer will be interested. I am going to dash this fence look fine. So answer will be make. At first they dashed at Sparsh as Abhay had done. Laughed, L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed, hasna. He did not work, but soon the fence had dash coats of whitewash on it. Answer will be 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Now C part is that you have to choose the correct answer from the following. First one is Sparsh is a good boy but sometimes dash. Options are he works very funny, he works very mischievously, he works biggest mistakes, he does nothing. So correct answer will be B, that is he works mischievously. वो बहुत ही कभी कभी शैतानियाँ करता था. Now next, what did Sparsh had in his pocket? Sparsh की pockets में क्या था? So some marbles and 2 or 3 broken toys, some pieces of string and 2 or 3 broken toys, some marbles, some pieces of string and 2 or 3 broken toys, some marbles and some piece of string. So correct answer will be C, some marbles, some pieces of string and 2 or 3 broken toys. It means कुछ कंचे, कुछ धागों के टुकड़े थे और 2-3 टूटे हुए खिलौने थे. Now turn on page number 43. Don't tell me that you haven't. Haven't I told you 100 times to keep away from that dash? So answer will be refrigerator. Next one. In the evening, a bowl of vanilla ice cream and 2 chocolates were waiting for Sparsh on the dining table and dash. His mother was smiling, his mother was laughing, his mother was angry and his mother was dancing. So उसकी मम्मी मुस्कुरा रही थी means smiling. So correct option A. He was pretending that he was dash and he was rolling like one. A small boat, a big fish, a big ship, a rough stone, a wheel. So correct answer will be a big ship. Now D part is that who said the following statements to whom. यहाँ पर some statements are given to you and you have to write who said to whom. First one, you have been stealing the ice cream again. Mrs. Satakshi. To whom? To Sparsh. S will be capital of Mrs. Satakshi and Sparsh. Haven't I told you 100 times to keep away from that refrigerator? So again Mrs. Satakshi told to Sparsh. Student, don't put these commas. You will write the name Mrs. Satakshi and Sparsh. Look behind you, mom. Who said? Sparsh. To whom? Mrs. Satakshi. But I love him. I must look after him. I don't like to hit him, but I have to. Who said? Mrs. Satakshi to Sparsh. Mrs. Satakshi ने क्या बोला था कि मैं इसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ पर मुझे इसका ध्यान भी रखना पड़ेगा. मैं इसे मारना तो नहीं चाहती पर मुझे इसे मारना पड़ेगा. If I don't punish him, he will grow up lazy and wicked. Yes, I must be strict. It means that मुझे थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट होना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज अगर मैं इसको पनिश नहीं करूँगी तो स्पर्श क्या है, बहुत ही लेजी और बुरा इंसान बनेगा. सो मिसेस सतक्षी सेड टू हरसेल्फ. वो अपने आप में ही ये बातें सोच रही थी. तो मिसेस सतक्षी टू हरसेल्फ. I have to punish him for stealing the ice cream, but how? So this also statement was said by Mrs. Satakshi to herself. I know tomorrow is Sunday and there is no school on Sundays. So again Mrs. Satakshi said to herself कि कल तो Sunday है और कल कोई स्कूल नहीं है. The boys have a holiday but I will make Sparsh work. That will punish him. Mrs. Satakshi said to herself. You will write the full name Mrs. Satakshi and here herself. Okay, don't put commas like me. So student, this was all exercise portion of lesson number 7, that is Sparsh. We did today question answer, fill ups, match, tick the correct options and the statements who said to whom. Complete this work and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.